Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a page to your Itslearning course that will have all of the elementary curriculum resource links added to it. So all your students will need to do is just click the picture to go to your curriculum resources like Go Math and Wonders, and you won't have to worry about setting up those links yourself. So what you'll do is you'll log onto Itslearning and you will click on the Library tab. And then you're going to search for BCSC Elementary Curriculum Resources and click Enter or click the little green magnifying glass. And it should be the only thing that comes up. It's one here. It says BCSC Elementary Curriculum Resources and it is made here. So you'll select this resource and then you're going to click Add To and add to a course. And then from here, you're going to pick what course you would like to add it to. You can maybe add it to your AM homeroom course, so all of your resources are there and ready for your students in one place. So I'll click my course, and then from there, it's showing me where in my course I would like this to go. So this is my resources tab. If you don't pick anything, it tells you right here it will just be added to the bottom of your course. So if you want it to be in a folder, you can pick it, but if not, you can just leave it. And then I would click Add. There's a confirmation message that shows up, so I can click that to go to my course and see this resource and where it's been added. If I didn't click the confirmation message, I could have just gone to my course to see this page in the courses drop-down menu, but I added it to the bottom of my course. So here it is, Elementary Curriculum Resources. So right now, this version, I cannot edit this. So if I want to add another content block that maybe links to another resource I want my students to use or has some information about me, then I'll need to make a copy of this page so I can have editing access. So to do that, I'll click the three-dot function button in the corner, create own copy, create own copy. It told me that it made a new copy for me. And for me to be able to edit, I need to click here to refresh the page. So I refresh it. And now I can edit these content blocks. These are already linked for you, so you won't need to edit these. But if I want to add another content block, I now can. And so the way this works is that all your students will need to do is after you've added this to your page, you click here, like Wonders, for example. It is now just a single sign-on. So as you see, all I did was click that. I am already signed into my BCSC Google. I don't have to copy in a bunch of code. All I do is click this Wonders picture. I need to make sure that my pop-ups are disabled so it will open up a new window for me. But once I am, it logs me into Wonders. Simple as that. And I am good to go.